Hop in the car, it's time for our road trip. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen, coming to you from the Village Diner in Milford, Pennsylvania. Built in 1956 by the Mountain View Diner Company, it's one of the few remaining stainless steel diners left. More importantly, it's a fabulous place to savor some delicious food, like the Greek salad fries and disco meatloaf. If you'll be in the area, we'll be here on May 4th from 1:30 to 3:30 p.m. along with the one and only Maud Betty, author and creator of Retro Roadmap, home of cool vintage places, good eats, and retro fun. Drop by for delicious food, drink samples, and more. We'd love to see you. You didn't think we'd leave you without a cocktail, did you? Here's one that pairs perfectly with diner dishes of all kinds, especially those that are French fry based. To make it, all you do is add 1 ounce of Metaxa and 1/4 ounce fresh lemon juice to a champagne flute and fill with chilled prosecco. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to join us Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern on Facebook for another of our Liquored Up live broadcasts. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.